starting with Susan Magayones. Hello?
Tambong nakakapaghalipay. O, maraming salamat. Nag-abot na siya sa 50 anyos sa iyong mabuhi. Isang tuon, maraming pagsubok. Nag-abot. Tapos ay pinapahit, pero makayanan niya tanan. O, maraming salamat. O, naot ka na daghan pang birthdays nga mawaseng mabuhi o naunta na nagunay siyang pagkakayon isang tuod basta o daghan salamat sa tanang tao nga naghatag o lahat sa aming sister within her 50 years in life o ilabi na sa isang mga silang mga aunties, mga tuking, mga cousins, mga relatives, o mga friends. O ako po magpasalamat sa mga friends sa akong doon in her earlier days here in Canada. So many problems and trials na dahil o dahil lahat sila ni at dagang salamat o
Thank you. And now, let's give it to Rosenda Magayones.
hello. Hello, good evening to everyone. Ang aking kasulti ng happy 50th birthday. I love you so much. Manginaot ko na nga, ikaw magpalipayon sa imong birthday. Kaya ako, wag ko ako ka-practice ani kay, isa ko sa ako, bahala na lang, sulti ako. Kay, ako ang nag-prepare ani usahay, mag-una-una ko kung sa'yo akong isulti. Pero ang ako mga pag-decorate, ingana, manawag, usahay akong cellphone, bilang adlaw na i-charge na ako kay manawagan ko ingon anak sa pag-busy, makalimot ako kung sa'yo isulti. Pero nang, I love you so much. Happy 50th birthday. Thank you.
Me too.
Hi everyone. I don't speak Bisaya, so I'll just say English. Mom, I just want to say thank you for everything, for raising me up by yourself and working hard just to pay for my schooling. And I'm just so happy that you're my mom. And I'm also really grateful that you reached the age you can teach, like half a century. And anyways, I just want to say happy birthday, God bless, and I love you.
Thank you, anak ko. I'm so proud to have you.
Okay, that was the family. Thank you for your speeches. Right now, since today is her 50th birthday, there's just so much love. As you see on the screen, there were people from the Philippines and people here. And let us not forget her cousins in Guadalajara, India. Ladies and gentlemen, I am calling the singing sisters for their dance presentations, Ravinder, Rosinder, and Josinder. India. Let's give them another round of applause.